Larry Milliete's wife, Maya, disappeared more than 2 years ago. Now he'll stand trial for her murder. Good evening, and thank you for joining us. I'm Carlo Cicchetto.
I'm Marcella Lee. The judge's ruling came down after a 10-day preliminary hearing. CBS 8's David Gottfredson was inside the courtroom when both sides gave closing arguments.
There is probable cause to believe that the offenses charged in counts 1 and 2 have been committed and that the defendant is guilty thereof.
No reaction from Larry Millete as Judge Dwayne Moring ruled the father of 3 can be tried on murder charges in the death of his still missing wife, Maya Millete.
It is therefore ordered that the defendant be bound over for further proceedings in the Superior Court.
Prosecutors say Larry Millete murdered his wife on the evening of January 7th, 2021, the same day Maya made an appointment with a divorce attorney. They allege Larry tracked Maya's movements and hired spellcasters to hurt and incapacitate her. One of the strangest moments of the entire hearing came Wednesday morning when, on cross-examination, Larry's defense attorney actually asked the DA investigator if the spells worked.
His requests of harm were documented and sent to the individual requesting their services to perform rituals to have those events come true. Yes, that's.
Did they come true?
Well.
Then came closing arguments.
The only person who had a motive, who spoke of the desire to hurt her, is the defendant.
Deputy District Attorney Christy Bowles argued there is no evidence to support the notion that Maya would abandon her kids.
May Millete did not just fall off the face of the earth. She lived for and adored her children. She would not and did not leave voluntarily.
The defense's closing argument pointed the finger back at Maya.
Mr. Millete didn't start the problem. It is Miss Millete who started the problem because of her relationship and her affair.
Defense attorney Bonita Martinez blamed Maya for the failure of the marriage and insisted no body, no murder.
He can tell you he loves his wife very much, and he did not kill her.
After the hearing, Maya's sister, Mary Chris Droulet, spoke to reporters.
This is still not the end. We need to bring our sister home. So I'm still here in the front of the camera asking the public's help. Please, with all your help, we can bring my sister back home.
Larry Millete was rearraigned today and pleaded not guilty to 1 count of murder and 1 count of possession of an illegal assault rifle. The case will now be transferred down to Chula Vista Court, and the next hearing is set for March 22nd.
David, when is the trial actually set to start, and will it be the same judge on the bench for that trial?
A tentative trial date was set for September 14th, but that could be continued and delayed. The judge said he may be selected for the trial, but it's also possible a different judge will be selected down in Chula Vista.
After a long preliminary hearing, now we wait for the trial. David Gottfredson reporting for us. Thanks, David.